Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Hyundai Palisade versus the Ford Endeavour. We'll explore their key features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Palisade is known for its luxurious feel and modern amenities, while the Endeavour excels in ruggedness and adventure. Stay tuned as we break down what makes each vehicle unique and highlight their strengths. The Hyundai Palisade truly shines with its upscale interior, offering a sophisticated experience for all occupants. You'll find advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, providing peace of mind on every journey. Its powerful engine delivers smooth acceleration, making city driving and highway cruising effortless. Plus, the intuitive infotainment system keeps you connected and entertained with ease. Turning our attention to the Ford Endeavour, its primary strength lies in its formidable off-road prowess. With impressive ground clearance and a durable chassis, it's built to conquer rough landscapes. The Endeavour's powerful engine, often a diesel, offers substantial torque, ideal for towing heavy loads or navigating steep inclines. Its rugged design and commanding presence make it a favorite for those seeking adventure and reliability beyond paved roads. Deciding between the Hyundai Palisade and the Ford Endeavour depends entirely on your priorities. If you value a refined driving experience, a luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology for daily commutes and family trips, the Palisade is an excellent choice. However, if your adventures take you off the beaten path, requiring robust off-road capabilities and strong towing power, the Endeavour stands out. Both offer great value, but for different lifestyles. Check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Ultimately, your ideal SUV awaits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.